All right, here it is, guys. Today I got the iPhone 12 Pro Silver Edition. Now before I get into this unboxing and impressions, I just want to give you my quick little recap of how things played out. I did pre-order the day that pre-orders went live, and I actually was about 30 minutes late from the initial launch of the pre-order. My ship date was not supposed to be until November 2nd. Now, that was an estimated range from the 2nd to the 12th. And like I said, that was just like 30 minutes after the initial pre-order went live. So, I waited all week, rechecking my order status, hoping that it would ship sooner than the estimated time was, but it did not. Now, they were supposed to actually be available today, Friday the 23rd. So I went out of my way to try to find a solution to get the phone today. It's just a problem I have with wanting new tech. So I went out of my way and went to an Apple store. I actually pre-ordered online, canceled my initial pre-order and checked the Apple store near me and actually bought it through the Apple store and went and picked it up today. So if you pre-ordered and you're waiting forever, it may be kind of a better solution to just check a local Apple store, Best Buy, AT&T, and see if they actually have one available in store, and you could just pick one up instead of waiting for 2 or 3 weeks on ship dates, which some people are now. Some people aren't going to get their iPhone 12 Pro until the middle of next month. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you in case you haven't thought of it. Anyway, here it is. This is the 12 Pro Silver, and I'm not going to get into the tech specs or all that. This is just my first impressions. It hasn't been opened. I haven't seen a lot on the silver iPhone Pros. A lot of people want to do the new blue, but it's just not something that appealed to me. So anyway, here we go. Okay. Yeah, buddy. All right. Wow. That is way nicer than I ever thought it would be. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I'm pretty set on Android, and I've recently decided to make the switch to Apple. This silver is, it's fire, guys. I can't lie about that. This is super nice. It actually, honestly, the way the light catches it, it really looks white on the back, which is what I was hoping for. Now the edges, of course, are really shiny silver, but the back plate itself is kind of a matte finish, which I'm sure you've seen in other videos, but that matte finish kind of takes away the silver tone, and the way it reflects the light almost looks white. So I'll try to get this on the other camera here. Okay, let's take this sticker off. All right, and there it is, right there. Now, I don't need to get into all the tech specs. If you've made it to my video, being such a small channel, and you're interested in this phone, you know everything that there is that you need to know about it. I just wanted to do the silver unboxing because it's not something I've seen a lot of, and I have to say my initial impressions are this thing is super nice. Feels really nice. I like going back to the squared off edges. I'm really excited about the silver color because honestly, whenever I was looking at it online, couldn't really tell if it was going to be something that I was happy with. The Apple logo is really subtle on this. It doesn't really pop like the other models. And I have to say the size is surprisingly nice. It was something else I was kind of concerned about going to a smaller phone. Overall, I'm happy with the initial unboxing and how it feels. I'm going to get it powered up and set up and kind of go from there. And if you are interested, I'll be giving you kind of a review, battery life, and something else I don't see a lot is speaker sound. volume. So if you're interested in any of those, or if you have any other questions about what I think about it, I know I'm competing against a lot of the mainstream YouTubers on this kind of stuff, but this is me, real world. I bought this, upgraded through AT&T, $33 a month. So this is going to be a truly honest answers, honest review, opinions, and so on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching.